first one discuss to remove the unnecessary programs. The unnecessary program who affected your memory. So first of all, to without using, you are not using any software, must to uninstall first. This is the mainly affected the speed of computer. So first uninstall the unnecessary programs. And second one, disable startup program. The disable startup program, when you boot your system, to take some times, that time will be reduced. Unnecessary startup program available means just go to startup menu and disable that unnecessary program startup. So this increase your boot starting time. So increase your speed of the booting time. Next one, scan for virus. The scan for virus topic is mainly using for virus defender and Windows defender inside inbuilt the Windows. So use the Windows defender and scan for regularly weekly once or monthly once. Otherwise use third-party software like that AVG, McAfee, Kaspersky, Avesta something. So use this that software and remove the virus protection and completely using for this section for virus removal. The many function to be affected. So if you full scan for weekly once or monthly once. Next one, this is the important in temporary files. The temporary files occupying some memory on your PCs. So first of all, you use entire day for your system. After that, we shut down before clean the temporary files first, because the temporary files take in some memory and some register also. So we can delete for entire usage after that. Next one, this is important, disk deformat. The disk deformat is the main usage form optimization over the memory location. The optimizing for your location. So your hard disk will save for each and every data. The data will be not allocated properly. So we can this section for optimizing for your location process. So we can important each and every drive can be optimization on time. This is a process for weekly ones or monthly ones we can do it. And schedule operation also is there setting. To use the schedule operation, we can do it from monthly one, otherwise weekly ones from this operation. This process it can take a long time, so it can do it for some time. I will 2x speed up is on the C only for the optimization. Our two drives will be there, no issue. C only for the application. So when you free, that time will optimization your C drives. That is the good. Next one, this my wish participate computer app. It's is useful for